Hey guys, my name is Jacob, and today we'll be doing a 2015 Reath We the People bike check. Hope you enjoy. So for the BMX frame, we have a top tube, down tube chainstays made of 4130 chromo, tapper chainstays, removable brake hardware, and integrated seat clamp mid BB. We have a BMX fork, which is a Salt Plus headquarters, 100% 4130 chromo, one-piece steerer tube. For the BMX bar, we have a two-piece 100% 4130 chromo. For the grips, we have a We the People hilt. The stem is a Salt Pro top load 50mm offset. The headset is a Salt Pro integrated headset sealed bearing. The brake lever is a Salt Moto aluminum. The brakes are Salt Moto U-brake aluminum. The seat is a We the People Reath tripod mid-padded. The seat post is a tripod aluminum. The pedals are a Salt Plus Stealth nylon fiberglass. The chain is a Salt AM 5108. The sprocket is a Salt Pro 6061 T6 aluminum 26T. The cranks are a Salt Expert TSS 3-piece 4130 chromo, 170mm crank arm length. Tubular. Bottom bracket is a Salt Mid BB sealed bearing. The front hub is a Salt Expert aluminum sealed bearing BMM 3/8 inches, female axle 36H. The rear hub is a Salt Expert cassette sealed bearing 14mm axle 36H. Driver is a 19. The front rim is a Salt Plus Summit double wall straight 36H. The rear rim is a Salt Plus Summit double wall straight 36H. The front tire is a Salt Pitch Slick width of 2.35 inches. The rear tire is a Salt Pitch Slick width of 2.25 inches. The pegs are Salt AM pegs, one pair steel. The bike weight is 26.01 pounds. And yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.